This is how you update your iPhone to the latest iOS. My feeling is, no matter when you're watching this, it's going to work the same way because it's worked this way for decades and it works pretty well. So why would they change it? What you got to do is go into settings. And then here we see software update available. But if you don't see that, you might have to go into general and then tap on software update. And this will load the software update page. Currently I'm on the developer mode. I'm going to turn that off for you because you're probably not on developer mode. And once that's off, come back out here and we see just a regular update, no beta message afterwards. Beta is for testing. So you want to make sure, unless you want to do the testing, you want to make sure you're not on the beta mode. And then if there's an update, it will be right here. You can tap on update now, enter your passcode. And now the update is going to be prepared, downloaded. Once it's downloaded, you just tap install now. You might have to plug in your phone if your battery is a little low. You might have to offload some apps, which the iPhone will notify you of, and you can just offload them. And that just means that the app files themselves will be deleted, but all your settings and all the stuff you did within the app will be saved. So then after the update's installed, the update file is going to be deleted, and then all those apps can be reinstalled, and they're exactly how they were before you did the install. So the offload feature is pretty cool. And it takes a little while to have this downloaded and prepared and all that. Or was that installed already? Couldn't have been. It was just a minor update. It was still update requested. It's still going. So this takes some time. Just follow the prompts on the screen and you'll have no problem. If you have value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video right here which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. That's another way you can make sure you have enough space to do updates. So check out that video and I'll see you there.